Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Don's Lawns Quick Tips. In today's video, we're going to be talking about measuring your square footage, and that starts out with a couple different ways of measuring that square footage. You can use a measure tape or a long roll of tape, measure tape, or you can use one of those measuring wheels, or you can save your money and get in the lawn and pace it out. So I usually will pace out a lawn and multiply my steps that I take, my paces, by 3, because I found that on average one of my steps is about 3 feet. So I multiply my steps by 3, and that tells me how many feet I went in that linear direction. Now square footage is measured length times width, so you get your linear direction this way, your linear direction the other way, and then you multiply them together, and that gives you your square footage. I hope you enjoyed today's Don's Lawns Quick Tip. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Don's Lawns 1. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Best of luck in the lawn.